Happy Earth Day, Florida! Today we're going to ask some of our coworkers here at A to Z GC how upgrading to impact windows can help to save our planet.
Well, for starters, energy loss through windows is responsible for 25 to 30% of residential cooling of energy use here in Florida.
When you upgrade from traditional single pane to energy efficient windows, your energy bill decreases, which means less carbon dioxide emission and more money in your pocket.
We all need to do our part, no matter how small it may seem, to help slow down the effects of climate change.
Here at A to Z GC, we offer the Florida PACE program, Property Assessed Clean Energy. This program offers highly competitive financing rates to encourage the widespread use of safer, cleaner, and efficient technology in Florida homes.
PACE covers all the cost of your impact windows with installation up front. Enjoy 100% financing while reducing your carbon footprint.